SkyWind Technology Company Limited, established in 2004, is a professional manufacturer of WPC, SPC, LVT, and non-PVC flooring extrusion machines located in Nanjing, China. It totally covers 40,000 square meters together with its full-owned factory in Anhui, China. With employees near 100 people, R and D Center covering 3,000 square meters, many experts and engineers are working in SkyWind, and now the company has accumulated a lot of experience on machines for SPC LVT and WPC flooring, PVC wall panel door and door frame, skirting board, as well as WPC outdoor decking and railings production. Till 2025, SkyWind has got over 40 patents on different machines. ISO, CE, SGS, UL Sarber certificates have been approved. Meanwhile, SkyWind got the award from Chinese top government for extrusion technology promotion. Standing at the forefront of the industry, SkyWind machines have been sold to over 1,000 customers from over 40 countries such as USA, Italy, Poland, Russia, Middle East, Africa, India, Korea, Vietnam, Thailand, etc. SkyWind can produce 200 extrusion lines every year, and now there are over 30 service engineers from SkyWind in different countries for installation and commissioning of WPC, SPC, LVT, and non-PVC flooring machines. We are sure the customers from all over the world will be always satisfied with SkyWind machines and turnkey services.